All right, everybody, welcome back to HPT Live Asian Session. This is where we capitalize on commodities such as gold, silver, NASDAQ, ES. Trading our super simple yet extremely effective three-step approach. So let me get everything situated and we're killer night because we know how to trade. We had a phenomenal day today on the Discord. Dude, it was just one after another. But that's neither here nor there. All right. You've come here today for one reason, and that's to get paid. So that's what we're going to do. All right. We're going to execute on silver. First thing I like to do each and every single day is hit my higher time frames. All right. So I got my 1 hour. Let's get some market context. Okay. Extremely crazy sell off earlier. So now all I'm going to really start looking for is to see if sellers still got the ball. All right. So I'm going to whip out my daily time frame. And I'm going to start identifying some levels, okay? So we're going to plot previous day low, which is right there. We're going to plot end of day, which is right there. We're going to plot this guy, and we're going to change this to upside target. Upside target. Downside target, super far down. We got a target right there. That's probably the best target for Sun. Let's flip out that 1 hour, get a little better idea of what we're looking at. All right, so now I just want to verify here. We got previous day low. Dang, why is that so far away? All right, that's PDL. We're literally at PDL right now. And let me whip out, let's do this. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. All right, so let me plot my pit numbers. All righty, then let's see. Boop, 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 boop. Let me also share this to my crew. All right, so that the team can come know that I'm live. Anybody that wants to join our team and stop being a little bitch, click the links below. All right, we're going to go to announcements. I'm going to go Asian session at everyone. Bam. Let's get it. Let's get it on. Gotta trade these markets. All right, let me see something here. Let me move this. 13, 14, 15. Oh, wow. Yeah. EOD is. Yeah, that's the candle. All right. All righty. So we actually have a potential short play coming up. I'm going to identify this trend right there. Now, once again, I'm always looking for a retest of a GBI, right? So we got green bar ignored right there. 2 minute time frame 20 is actually being respected as we speak, but I'm going to hold off on this because it's not in a GBI. All right. It's not in a GBI, so we're just staying a little patient. But there is a 2 minute 20 retest. And that's the beautiful part about moving averages. Literally, all you need to do is learn to spot them being respected. So hopefully everybody had a great day today. I'm going to throw on the Yankee cap. Represent New York. New York. Who we got in the building? Who we got in the building? Start dropping names. Who are you? Welcome to the live session. All right. I'm interested. Where are you from? Where are you from? All I ask is if you make money, that you like this video today. All right. That's it. We're probably going to be making these exclusive here soon for the team only. But that's neither here nor there. Let's just get paid. All right. All right. So yeah, we're watching silver. Let's take a look at gold. What the heck? No. TOS. Big Mike, Orlando, Florida. What's up, Mike? Welcome. Welcome, my friend. So, if you're new to my channel, I got a pretty simple strategy. I don't know if you were with us yesterday. Yesterday we had a great day trading silver. And it's really based off candlestick analysis and moving averages. Okay, moving averages are God's gift to this beautiful green earth, and may He be with us today as we trade. Keep us focused and just focus on execution. But welcome. Glad you're here, Mike. All right, so looks like my Thinkorswim just kind of ate dirt, so I'm just gonna reopen that because charting on Thinkorswim is obviously a lot better than charting on this. But I look to identify the opportunity off these guys right here. Okay, so this is what we call a green bar. Green bar ignored. Now, these are very important. And obviously, click the links below if you want a free mini course on this strategy. It's actually quite simple to learn. But when you spot a green bar ignored like this guy, all right, and when it's coupled off the, ready, 20 EMA, this is basically telling us that sellers got the ball. And once again, right, like if we go further to the left, you'll see here, hold on, green bar ignored right here. Okay, so GBI, this box becomes the area of value, and then we play shorts out of it. Okay, so it's just a super simple way to spot opportunity in the market. A little unique, which makes it a little bit cool. I've yet to see anybody trade this way. I started trading this way after 7 years of trading, so it's been a pretty long journey. But for me, it's all about being simple, right? If it's not simple, I'm not going to be able to repeat it. So it's got to be simple and it's got to be repeatable. That way, when we're trading, $1,000 trades on, so like, as we scale up, it's just got to be repeatable strategy. We've been collecting data on this approach for the last 18 months too. Currently in the month of February, we're sitting at like a 92% win rate. And that's only trading the 5-minute time frame, even though win rate really doesn't matter anything, right? For me, it's all about risk reward. And when we trade off the moving averages, that's what we get. So I'm watching this retest right here. I'm watching this close, guys, very close. See how we're coming into the GBI. Okay, there's a green bar right here that's been ignored. We're retesting it. The philosophy behind it is that buyers are trapped, and as we retest, they're starting to stomp out. So I tell you what, I'm feeling a little bullet, or I'm feeling a little dicey, as I like to say it. If we can hold this 20, I may participate in a short play. Let's see what we get. So I'm pulling up Thinkorswim. So we can look at gold and other commodities as well. But basically, how we close here at the 20 is very important. We're also trading off previous day low in end of day, right? So there's a lot of liquidity at these levels. Looks like we did close above that 20. So buyers might be showing up a little bit. Orlando, Florida. Yeah, I'm from upstate New York. It's about 2 degrees outside right now. So I'm a little jealous, Mike. I'm a little jealous. I'm going to make my way down to Florida real soon, though. Orlando. Good spot. Good spot. Good. Good vibes. Good vibes. Yeah, so we're closing above that 20. Buyers showing a little bit of strength. It's to be expected. It's to be expected. Let's see what gold's looking like. We'll look at gold. All right. Gold, very similar to silver. Mega downtrend. Let's see. Yeah, we got some opportunity on gold. You know what? We might dip, we might wet the beak here with gold. Let's see. So we got a green bar ignored. Once again, when the bottom of that green bar gets blown out, we now know that sellers are a little bit more dominant. So I'm watching the 20 right here. I'm watching that 20 nice and close. Where is my Thinkorswim? Right here. Here we go. Now I'll be able to see. All right. Don't be giving me no issues, Thinkorswim. All right. So let's bring it back to silver real quick. I got silver on the right. All right, so we got previous day low right there. End of day would be like right here. So we're just going to go like that. And then we're going to. So these are what I call pit numbers. Previous day high, low, open and close. This is the close. These levels have a lot of volume. Looks like buyers snagged up some liquidity down below previous day low. So we might get a little shift here in the market. All right, let's check out gold. Yeah, gold is right up at end of day. Sweet. Sweet. All right, here is PDL. So once again, now I map out my pit numbers, the previous day high, low, open, and close. They just help me better understand the story, because that's what we're doing, right? We're just reading the story over here. We're just storytellers. We look at charts and we look at the story, right? Who's controlling end of day? Who's controlling previous day low? Right here on gold, right? We got the low right here. Sellers defending it here, We actually got a little trend line here. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Listen. Catch me outside. How about that? Catch me outside. How about that? You gotta loosen up, man. You gotta keep it loose. Yeah, it's all about, loosening up a little bit. It's a pretty stressful game. You gotta stay loose. Gotta stay loose, love. Come on, Shug. Pretty choppy though. What time is it? It's 7. So let's see. Usually this one's like a low volume comes up. I think 8 o'clock is when the Asian session kicks. This is like the London session. Them boys in London right now are like, cheerio, mate. Market's opening up. Opening bell, love. We got the opening bell coming up here in the London markets. George Soros shorting the British pound again. Yeah, I'm in a little shot. It's okay. All right, silver, gold. Let's look at NASDAQ. NQ. Damn. That sell-off. We killed that today in the Discord. I just want to show you guys. Okay. So obviously we have a wicked good community. So if you come over here, SPX puts today 109%. Okay, 109%. 1200 on one con. You can see here, trying shorts, 10:32 a.m. 10-minute trade, 109%. And if you look at ES, right, because obviously I call out futures trades as well. Look at some of these plays. 319 hopping in short, one contract. 1,500 off one contract. Beautiful call outs today. Beautiful call outs. Here's another one right here. Beautiful. Trimmed on that one. And once again, this is our strategy, right? This is what we look for each and every single day. Same approach, same process over and over. I'm very clear with my call outs because I want my team to make money. When my team makes money, I make more money. So shout out to you guys for killing it, being part of the team. Oh, Asian in Tokyo. Yo quiero. Tú quieres. Tú quieres. All right, previous day low, check. We got EOD, check. End of day, son. Give me some opportunity, love. Ooh, we actually got a little opportunity here on NQ. Okay, so we got a potential long play. I don't really like the 1 hour, but if I can get a 2-minute 20 retest, I'll take it. I'll scalp it. Watching the 2-minute 20 here on NASDAQ. What's the 1 hour look like? I use the 1 hour like I'm Houdini. I don't like where that moving average is. Very low. Very low. Very low. Very low. Very low. Very low. What I do like, all right, so what do we got? Okay, we actually got some time left here. So we got a little bit of time left on this 1 hour, but let me see. I need just a little more context here. So this is going to be our upside target. Upside target. We're going to make it green or orange. Don't really matter. Yeah, I'm not going to chase longs. So, and once again, right? It's all about the process. We got a red bar ignored. So I tell you what, I am going to watch to see, dude. Look at gold. Gold's ripping. Gold's starting to cook. Let's see what silver's doing. See what silver's doing. Bam, dude. It's pushing off yesterday's lows. She pushing. She is pushing. But there's always a but, right? There's always a but. But I think buyers are going to be a little weak. All right, I'm watching NQ here. I'm watching Todd. What up, bro? I got my boy Todd from Louisiana. What up, stud? Todd is an HPT veteran. He's actually my first ever client on the team. Friggin' love you, bro. Todd is an absolute G. Todd, what are we watching tonight? I'm watching NQ. I'm watching silver, gold, obviously. But Todd, how about that price action today? Oh my gosh, flawless. Flawless. Todd's my absolute boy. Been training with Todd for some years now. And you know, we just capitalize off moving averages. That's it. That's it. When that moving averages hold, we know the odds are in our favor, so we take full advantage of it. Bing bow. That's it. And today they were holding, bro. I was scalping the shit out of ES and NQ today, or just ES actually. 1 minute. I was trading 1 minute, 5 minute, 2 minute. Yeah, risk reward and just repeat it. That's literally it. When I see it, I pull the trigger. For me, it's not about being perfect. Actually, I would argue trying to be perfect is the reason why most traders can't make no friggin' money. Because we need perfection to get in. We want all the stars to align. We want all the confirmation. Well, when you see all your stars aligned, so does the whole other 90% of retail traders. Yeah, they're right here. Of course, love. Okay. Yeah, I love you. That's it. We don't want no confirmation. We don't want no confirmation. We just want strict execution. So I don't know. I'm not trying to be perfect. I'm just trying to execute. I'm watching NQ here. We keep holding the 2 minute 5. We might get a strong push, like a bat out of hell right now. For whatever reason, silver and gold is ripping. Potential red bar ignored right here too. So let's just stay a little patient. Let's stay a little patient. Dude, look at this. You know what? How do I want to deal with this? How do I want to play this? Silver, 2 minute. What moving averages? I really don't like that 1 hour dragon. Literally hanging its nuts on the floor right here. A lot of room to the upside. Yeah. I don't like the 1 hour is dragging. The 1 hour 9 is dragging there on NQ, dude. That's gonna be an anchor. But I don't want to get ahead of myself. Let's just see. I want a healthy 5 minute trend, no gap, no extension. Let's see what we get. NQ, silver. What's ES doing? Any goods on ES? Let's see. Ooh, ES baby. Yeah, see, look at ES is dragging. The 1 hour is still trending down. See that she's stepping down. She's stepping down. Sparky, what's up, stud? I love you guys, man. I friggin' literally, you guys are the main reason why I like, I've had some tough days. And I was like, yo, listen, I can't let my team down, man. Straight up. Straight up. Pre-market plans getting posted. Let's go. I love you guys. All right, watching. All right, so yeah, we got a key level here at 6862 on ES. Looks like we're battling it. Silver, it looks like she's rallying like a bat out of hell. It honestly might be worth playing gold, just like lower size. We do got a trend line break, and I think this is going to grab a lot of liquidity to the upside. And buyers are going to start getting stomped out here in a minute. Watch. I bet this starts sinking. I think this is a false break here. But then again, it's pure speculation. There's no RBI. There's no GBI. I just think that's a trap to the upside because of our 1 hour skills, right? That 1 hour trend is down low. Okay. And we're coming into a 1 hour GBI, which doesn't always mean everything, but technically there is trap buyers there. So let's just see how that plays out. I'm interested. I think that's if buyers show acceptance, I'll take it. I do not predict. I only react. Todd, if you see anything on NQ, drop it in the comment. I'm just gonna be watching silver, ES, and you know what? I'm gonna go to gold too. So let's see. I'm trying to navigate these. Last night was a phenomenal night. All right, ES, which we got, love, which we got 2 minute 20. Did we hold it? Shit. You know what? That might be a long play on ES. I might start off small. We're at the ALV. We're retesting the 20. I'm going to try ES just because it is my strategy. This is the strat. I'm going to give it a couple tickers. I don't like fighting the dominant trend. So if I get stomped out, I completely understand why. But let's just do a quick breakdown. Right here, we have a red bar that's been ignored. And we're now retesting. So this is where I take the market long. One contract. And my stop goes right below the previous candle. Johnny, if you're on, this is, I don't know. I don't like grading trades. I just like rinse, repeat in the process with proper risk reward. But this one is a little sketchy. Only because that 1 hour is trending down. So I guess we'll just put that up a little bit. I just want to get the beak wet, right? Sometimes you just got to get it. You just got to get in it and just see what happens, right? So let's see what happens. Let's just take a little play right here. You know what I've been doing, Todd? I've been waiting for the 1 minute to get back above and break the 20. That's actually a pretty good way to take advantage of these, right? So let's see. Volume's a little low. Let's see what happens. Key thing here is if you're playing off the 2 minute moving average, keep your stop at the 2 minute moving average. Don't play off the 2 minute and then put your stop on the 5 minute. It's a little dicey. But that is a clean ALV retest. Once again, I don't love that 1 hour. But what are you going to do? We're already in it. Can't be scared. Can't be scared your whole life, my uncle used to say. Oh, silver with the, and that clipped me. That clipped me. All right, so what's that tell me though? That telling me that sellers are pretty strong. Let's see. Let's see what we get. Watching the 2-minute 20. If sellers show strength here, guys, we're gonna get a flush to the downside. We're gonna get a flush. Ready? Flushing. Flushing. Silver, respecting EOD. Touche. The key thing too, guys, is to remind, I'm not trading no chop. If this gets choppy, I'm just gonna stick to silver and gold. ES and NQ are notorious for getting ultra choppy. Watch it end up holding the 20 too. It probably will. If it does, I'm probably not gonna take it. Let's see what the fib's at on this. I like starting behind the 8 ball. I like taking a loss right off the rip. Yeah, look, it held the 20. Of course it did. I'm not long in that, though. I do not like that 1 hour trend. It's too far down. I'm holding off. I'm holding off. I like this, though, guys. I do like this for longs, right? We held the 2-minute 20. I just do not like where that 1 hour trend is. You guys can see it's acting like a straight magnet. Straight magnet. If anything, this might be a scalp on the 1 minute to the downside. But I just don't know if it's chop yet. It could be chop. Let's see. Watch the 1 minute here. We're in the AOV. I'm looking for sellers to show some pressure. Let's get it. What are we getting? All right. So in that 5, this can continue. Let's see here. Yeah, if silver gets above the close at 75.80, she could definitely take off, but I don't think she's gonna. I think seller's got it. I'm looking for shorts on silver. What'd I tell you guys? I literally said a false break above the trend, and then we're gonna start coming right back down. Watch this close. Retesting that trend. Oh, and we just held the 5. 5-minute 20. Okay, ES, seller showing strength. Seller showing strength. All right. By the way, guys, make sure you check out them links. Check out the links below. Free mini course. Great resources over here at HPT. Look at silver bouncing off that 5-minute 20. The Process and Profits Academy has been phenomenal. You guys on the team, you know who you are. Look at that on silver. Clean retest of the trend. I'm still not going long right there. No way, Jose. I guess I'll look at NQ. NQ, a little bit better. I mean, it's not the worst long play. It's holding the 20. It's just Mom always told me, don't trade a flat 20. Mama always said, what did Mama say? Don't trade flat 20. Don't trade a flat 20. Don't do it. This is Mama. She said, don't trade a flat 20. Look at silver right now. Pushing. 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 But it's coming into EOD. Staying patient. I gotta go do some pull-ups. I'm about to fall asleep. I'll be right back. I'm not going nowhere, guys. So stay patient. Listen, once sellers come in here on NQ, we're gonna make a killing. Jenny, you okay? All right, there's my sellers on NQ. Can I find a way to scalp that? Can I find a way to scalp that, T? That might be the entry right there. Nah, it's still a little dicey. I like how we're breaking that AOV though. I really do. I'm really starting to like that. That candle's wiping out some shit to the left. Chat, can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? My bad. My internet connection's retarded. I gave Verizon mad money. And they just do me a little dirty. Yeah, look at that, T. Look at that. Look at that candle right there on NQ. Chuck, I think you guys can still hear me. CBI, clear bar igniting. 20 showing some strength here. Our silver. Silver's got a little oomph. Let's see. All right, let's see something. All right, I'm watching ES potential short play. Look at that off the 20. I missed that on the 1 minute. All right, now we in the zone, guys. We in the zone. All right, here's the AOV. I'm looking for a short play. All right, watch this right here. I'm watching for a retest right here. Looking for a retest, baby. Retest. Yeah, it needs to hold 50. I like what Todd's saying. Oh, we're starting to get that pressure. We're starting to get that pressure. There it goes. Silver's looking weak. There goes NQ. Yeah, should have scalped it. It's okay. Bam. Strong push there. It's okay. I don't listen, guys. I promise you right now, if that 1 hour trend stays bearish, this thing's gonna sink. So I ain't gotta rush nothing. I ain't gotta rush nothing. Oh, what we got here? What we got? What we got? Watch it. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? That's what you call a trend line, baby. That's a trend line. Trend line. What we got? Damn it. Todd, I literally said I should. Listen. Let's get this money. That's a snap. Silver's looking weak. How far is this thing going to go? Can I scalp it? Do I want to scalp it? I might scalp it. I'm not going to chase it, though. I'm not going to chase it. I got NQ. I'm going to pull up ES over here. Let's see. Got ourselves a little trend. I'm looking for a short entry. The 5 minute honestly don't look pretty whatsoever. But that 1 hour trend, I'm telling you, it's just going to keep pulling her down. She's going to keep pulling her down right now. Oh, let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a fake out. That's a fake out hammer. That might be a fake out right there. Bear trap. Bear trap? I think that's a bear trap. That might be a bear trap right there. You know what? My hotkey's on. Right off the trend too. Yeah, I know better than to try it long right there though. That's not my style. So let's just stay a little patient. What's silver giving me? Patience. Patience is everything, guys. All right. Ooh, silver, 2-minute 20 retest. Oh my god. Where you at? Where you at? Silver, 2-minute 20 retest. We keep holding that 2-minute five. I tell you what, I'm trying something on silver. It's a little dicey right here. But I'm gonna try something. I'm trying something light on silver. We keep holding that 5, so I'm trying longs. I'm gonna put my stop right here below the previous 5 or the current 5-minute candle. Let's see if we can get a push. It's kind of a impulse move, but we're holding the 5 pretty well. So that, and the 2-minute 20. So let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Come on, let's spice this night up. Let's spice it up. Spicy. She's spicy. She's a spicy one. $4.50. Johnny, be careful on silver tonight. She is pretty volatile. Pretty volatile. And I might be a little retarded. Let's see. Let's see. Key thing I like right here is that bounce off the 5-minute 20. What I don't like is how far we are from it. But I'm going to play it. I'm going to give it a shot. Give it a shot here. Let's see what we get. See what we get. Can she hold? Can she hold? Can she hold? Jenny, what's up, babe? Hold on. All right, 2-minute 20's got to hold. It's a sketchy play. No RBI, nothing. Not the smartest move, but we're gonna go for it. Is this frozen? Is this frozen? What's up, Key? What's up, baby? You need food? You okay? So when I see moving averages just being respected, I just give them a shot. I give them a shot and I scalp it. Silver pays very quickly, but it also takes away very quickly. So you just gotta, full commit. See what you get. Full commit. See what you keep getting moving averages being respected. I gotta go for it. I gotta take it, baby. Where's my Londons? My London session, mate. Watch this art. Watch it take off like a bat out of hell. That'd be sick, love. That'd be really good, mate. But we're just going to manifest the best right now. Come on. Two-minute 20. Hold it. It's not the best play, though. There's no RBI. There's no GBI. It's kind of an impulse move. I'm not perfect. I ain't perfect. But this trade's going to come out beautiful. Watch, love. That's a sketchy one. Stupid ass play. But she gonna take off. We're fighting end of day and everything. It's okay. We only got, what's left on this candle? 225. Can that hold? I tell you what, if this candle does hold that 5, we can definitely expect to move higher. If not, obviously we'll get clipped and we'll go on to the next. I don't want to risk any more than that previous candle. I want to see this 2-minute 20 hold. If she holds, I might add in. If this 20 holds, it's for a reason. Once again, this is why I love trading off moving averages, because if they hold, it's typically for a reason. So let's see what we get here. Let's see what we get, love. What we going to get? We got to hold. What's left? 22 seconds. This got to hold the 2-minute 20. Now, the main reason why I'm taking this, though, is because we are in an area of value. Right? If I show you the 5-minute, we have a GBI bar ignored up here. So now we're retesting it. This is Todd. This is like you just said, right? When resistance turns to support, we held it. So now we need to continue to hold. Oh, she's sketchy. Come on, baby. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up, mate. Come on, love. That's sketchy. Oh, no way. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Within a tick. Within a tick. Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna take that trade over and over. That's a good trade. If it clips me, it clips me. It is what it is. Yeah, it's gonna clip me. Order filled. Order filled. That's all right. Brush it off. On to the next. I got one more in me before I call it a night. Let's see what we get. I don't like taking a lot of losses. But we're not going to take another loss. Oh, right at the 5-minute 20. Watch, there it goes. You, bro. Watch this, bro. Watch this. 5-minute 20. Hold. Perfect. I'm not jumping back in it. No way, Jose. 1 hour trend. Honestly, Todd, the 1 hour trend is mad low. So I should have stayed patient. But that's okay. That's okay. Yes. I told you that was a bear trap. Bro, look at that candle on silver. What a cunt, dude. You're such a freaking cunt, bro. Oh my God, bro. I'm so happy right now. I'm so happy that this candle stopped me out, and then now it's ripping in the friggin', oh my God. Oh, dude, I have to, dude, son of a gun. That respected the 20. Perfect. Hold on. Hold on. What do I want to do? What do I want to do? I want to chase it, but I don't think I'm gonna. I know it didn't close below it. I want to chase that, Todd. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna. I feel like it's taunting me. So I'm not chasing it. I'm gonna stay patient on that one. I'm staying patient unless buyers show strength. Bro, I should have put my stop below that. That's on me. I'm retarded for that. I should have put my stop right here. My stop should have went below this candle. $6.87. All right. New viewers are like, dude, this dude's an animal. Yeah, some days are better than others, so what? All right, let's see. See? See, though, Todd, I'm glad I didn't hop back in. See, the old Josh would have gotten frustrated right there, hopped back in long. But I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to stay a little patient right here. ES is looking really bearish. I'm just really not liking the price action that much. All right, I got to get a set in because that was frustrating. You guys wonder why I'm always in the gym, and like it's because I trade. That shit is frustrating. I'm telling you, silver's looking weak right now. Because the 1 hour is pulling it down. Look at ES. I think ES is going to reverse. I think this thing's going to head right back up. If we can close above the 5, then I think ES is going to reverse. But I'm not a big reversal trader, so okay, silver. That's it on silver. I think I am. Oh, I'm watching this candle close. Fake out hammer candle, holding the 20 in the AOV. I'm just not there yet with it. I'm not there yet with it on silver. If we can close back above that 20, I may take it. I like that we're in the AOV. I don't like the 1 hour trend. I think it's just pulling it down way too much. So let's just stay a little patient on it, guys. Let's just stay a little patient. Listen, I don't need perfection. I really don't need perfection. I just need patience and execution. I'm unclear right now. Buyers could take it. I don't like that 1 hour trend that much. And look at the selling pressure. Like this has been just very strong. I do like the breakout. And I like that the 5-minute 20 is holding. $30 seconds left on this 2-minute. Let's see. This trend line got respected though. Let's see a little. Let's just stay a little patient. Let's stay a little patient, baby. Stay a little patient. Yeah. Okay. What's up, Chen Ben? Yeah, just chicken, baby. We got everything else. Oh shit. Yeah. Just chicken, my love. We got Rotel. What's up, Chen? There it goes, off to the 1 minute 20. ES. Look at that. Hold on. Yo, babe, I just said we're good. Yeah, we got heavy whipping cream. We got raw. We got cheddar cheese. We're gravy, baby. Hold on. Let me just verify the cheddar cheese. Watch out, Tim. Yep. Watch out, Stella. Jenny! Chenzo! What? Tell her to grab cheddar cheese! Cheddar cheese! Dad! Dad! Stop! Come on! Stop! Oh!
Love you. Bye.
Come on, Stella. Jenny! Alright, guys, I'm back. You know how it is, the dog. Alright, so Silver, still nothing really going on. Yeah, we missed it, and the internet's acting retarded as well. Scalp on ES. So I think Seller's definitely got the ball right here. So when it comes to scalping, I want to make sure my 5-minute time frame is high and tight. Yeah, look at that. She's tanking. Isn't it funny how you always get called away? You always get called away at the perfect move. It's literally just life. So let's see if we can scalp a 1-minute move. I want to see how it reacts when it comes into the 5. That's how I scalp 1-minute time frame. Dude, watching Silver buyers too. I'm watching Silver. All right, you guys see that? That's what we call a gap. Okay? That's an unhealthy 5-minute trend so far. All right, Silver starting to. No, yeah, Todd, you already know. I always get called away right when the best move happens. All right, look at Silver, guys. Watch Silver. It's exactly what we were looking for right there. Exactly what we're looking for. Now, the 1-hour trend is trending down. It's trending down. We are trending down. ES, I'm watching ES. I'm watching Silver. If ES respects this. All right, so we have ourselves a GBI right here. Green bar ignored. I'm looking for a retest up there for a potential short play. I want to see us come into the 5. 2-minute right here. I honestly do believe that this could start to sell off. We are playing right with PDL. So it's a little dicey. All right, let's just see. Oh, 13 minutes until Asian. Okay. Dude, look at Silver. Right off the trend. Right off the trend line. I'm not convinced, though. I think, oh, no, shit. Dude, I literally just clicked it. Horrible fill. I'm going to try a short play. Oh, look at her go. Look at her go. Look at her go. Short play on ES. We're playing off the 5. Okay, off the 5. 5-minute time frame looks pretty healthy. I want to play here into previous day low. Let her go. Look at that push, bro. Look at that push. Look at that push. How far can we go? How far can we go here on ES? I don't want to do it stupid, but we are playing high and tight. Let's drop that stop down. Oh, it's dicey. She dicey. Dicey play. I'm looking at least, well, we broke previous day low. So it's either going to keep going or it's going to grab a bunch of liquidity and turn around. Either way, I want to try it. I want to go for it. Let's see. The 1-minute 5 is holding. So I'm going to keep my stop right next to that 1-minute 5. Let's see if she can continue. Let's see if she can continue. See what we can get. Let's trade our moving averages down. Let me pull up. Yeah, see, we're coming into PDL. What's my one up? Oh, look at silver too, bro. Silver. Guys, silver. Silver. All right, I'm just going to put my stop here on ES. I really want to watch silver. Watching this. Hold on. Trying to do both here. Trying to do both. Oh, yeah, guys. Look at silver, bro. Look at silver. Silver's where we're going to make the money right now. I'm kind of distracted, but watching the 1-minute 5 here on ES. Watching silver. Give me the 1-minute time frame on silver. Come on, Shug. Come on, Shug. Silver's coming into previous day low as well. So this is going to be a dicey play. Dicey play. All right. Watching SPY. I don't know how much I like this trade, but we're in it. So we're in it to win it. Let's see what we get. Let's put it over here. Over here we'll put. Oh, that was a strong push into. All right, 1-minute 5. Can she hold? Let's see. We need the 1-minute 5 to hold on silver for this short play to continue. Or on ES. I wish I was in silver. I wish. Yeah, ES is going to shift. Almost clipped me. Yeah, I don't care. I don't want to risk more than 50. I could always get back in. Could always get back in. All right, watching silver. ES is costing me too much mental capital. Silver's at previous day low too, so let's just see. Let's see. See what we get. Come on, sellers. There they go. You see that? What it respect, guys? The 2-minute 5. So now we know the pattern lies at the 2-minute 5. Oh, strong buying here on silver off PDL. Get rid of that trend. Oh, guys, ready? Yes. Yes, it's trying. It's trying. We are right at previous day low right here. But now we got a spot to put our stop. We're going to put it right above that 2-minute. We're so far away from that 20. That was a really aggressive move down. But I like that 5-minute trend. She's got potential. All right, silver. I'm watching the 1-minute 20 for a short play. 1-minute 20 on silver for a short play. Oh yeah, that's starting to shift there. probably going to happen on ES too. So I'm watching here on ES for the previous candle to be respected. I want to see this candle stay respected. So that's going to tell me if seller still got the ball. Silver, looking for that 1 minute 20 retest. Oh, there we go. Come on. Come on. Come on, Shug. Come on, Shug. 2 minute 5. 2 minute 5 is still trying to hold. Let's see if we can get that continued pressure down. There it goes. There it goes. You guys see how I manage the trade the whole time? What am I saying? Okay, which moving average is being respected? Is it the 2 minute 5? Is it the 2 minute 20? Yeah, see? Listen, Chris, that's exactly what I'm saying, bro. ES wouldn't let go of the 2 minute 5. So the 2 minute 5 is going to hold the opportunity. Flush it. Flush it. Come on, baby. Todd goes, flush the toilet. All right, now we in a break even. I'm watching that 1 minute 20 on silver. And guys, remember, we're at previous day low. If this breaks, we're going to be all right. Healthy trend. I don't like us at PDL. I'm going to keep my stop right above the current 5 minute. Right above the current 5 minute. Yeah, she's looking sketchy. All right, watching silver. Silver's where we make our money, man. I'm not trying to be greedy, but we couldn't close below PDL. This is a dicey one. Dicey. Dicey, baby. Dicey. Dicey. Oh, come on, silver. Listen, man. You guys can't. Oh, look at you guys. Look at SPY. Look at ES. Look at ES. That might be an add-in. That might be a full-fledged retard add-in. Okay. Yeah, silver's looking good, baby. Come on, Sugar. Come on, Sugar. 2 minute 5 on silver. Getting some play. Getting some play right there. I really don't like playing off the 2 minute 5, though. I'm not going to lie to you. But I should be. All right, the 1 minute 5 is getting some play. All right, we got ES opened, short play. PDL is about to snap. PDL is about to snap, love. I want to see a retest up towards here on silver. We might not get it. How healthy is that 5 minute trend? I'll tell you right now. She ain't that healthy, so I'm staying patient. You guys see how I do that? Same with ES. Look at this garbage. So when I see a pocket, that means I can't chase. I can't chase. Because that's what happens during a pocket. All right. Now, ES, get ready for the add-in off the 1 minute 20. I'm also watching silver. Why ain't you a favorite, bro? Favorite that. Favorite. All right, let's see. Let's get paid. Yeah, we're right at previous day low. Yeah, that thing's looking sketchy. Yep, with the fake out hammer. All right, watching silver. I'm watching silver, guys. Forget ES right now. If it goes my way, cool. If not, I really don't care. I'm watching silver. Y'all came to play. Welcome to the Hunger Games. Silver. Why are my hotkeys working, bro? All right. Let's dice it up on silver. I like the risk. I like the risk here. We retested the AOV. We tagged. We didn't tag it. We did not tag it. My chart was a little crunched. It looked like it tagged it. Oh, man. I'm slacking. All right. I'm going to throw $1.50 on it. Let's see. The 5-minute trend's holding. I like it. See how on the 5-minute we came into the trend? Let's see if it can hold. I'm monitoring this on the 5-minute for now because it's dicey. It's a little dicey. Short play into the lows. There's the risk. There's the reward, baby. Flip the coin. Flip the coin. Flip it. Stupid. Stupid. That AOV is going to hold. She's holding. She's holding to the upside. Stupid. Bro, why am I trading like shit? I'm rushing things. All right, calm down. Calm down, bro. Calm down. Look at it, bro. That's so dirty. I got to try it. Oh, my God. All right. Silver. Jenny, I'm sorry, baby. Daddy's having a rough night. You may want some YouTube, right? Right. Yo, look how dirty that candle is. All right, don't trade silver right now. This thing's gone full retard. Because it's 8 o'clock, bro. Todd, you told me this. You told me. And I didn't listen. Bro, I was shortening the end of day like a retard. Yeah, this price action's whack. I don't know if I want to give any more money back to it. Might be done. I'm thinking. Bro, look how dirty that candle is. Look how dirty that candle is. That's what we call slippage. This is why, guys, tonight's key lesson is you can never be certain, okay? You can never be certain. There's no way to be certain. I missed that 1 minute 20 play right there. And then I got like in chase mode. I made a bunch of stupid mistakes, dude. That's on me. That's on me. That's on me. I blame myself entirely. But we live to trade another day. Ooh. I kind of like ES for puts. If I do, I'm going to go small size. Let's see. 2 minute 20 on ES, Todd. This is going to be my last one. Let's see. That is my strat. That is my strat, baby. But she's got to close. She's got to close. Let's see. She closed. I am going to take a stab here. Let's see what we get. It's a little dicey. I'm shortening the PDL. If this clips me, I'm probably going to. Yeah, that's all I could risk. That's all I could risk. That trend is right there. Give her a little bit. Give her to the trend. Give her to the trend. Let's see what she gets. It's a little sketchy. But they're all sketchy. We're in the AOV. We're looking for this to hold. Let's see what we get. I really like the 1 hour trend. I don't like the fact that we're shortening to PDL. I don't love it. But yeah, that's a. Let's see what happens here at the 2-minute 20. My stop's about halfway through the AOV. Not the best execution tonight. And I've also noticed that what was I gonna say? That life is a beautiful thing. CCW, take it easy, buddy. We're trading live tomorrow morning, guys. So that's gonna be New York session. Make sure you come check it out. Come check it out. I'll probably yeah, I don't like that. Don't like it. Tighten the stop up. Tighten it up. We're not risking a lot here. And once again, this is why I love trading off moving averages. I'm not risking that much. If it wasn't for those retarded silver trades, we'd be okay. But we still gonna be all right. We still gonna be just fine. GBI, baby. We need this GBI to hold. And let's see. Clip. All right, guys. I'm out. Take it easy. I love you guys. Thanks for coming. Some days are better than others. I shorts. I wasn't seeing that clearly. And then I let myself get a little riled up on the silver. And overall, though, not the absolute worst. We live to trade another day. So we're going to be back tomorrow, trading in the mornings. So everybody get a good night's sleep, okay? Because we're going to get busy. I don't like how I'm looking at the market right now, though. So when that happens, you got to kind of... Dude, look at this. Look at this. Jeez, look at that. She got me good, guys. She got me good. Look at this. GBI, green bar, ignored, retest. I'd take that trade 100 times over. 100. I'd take it over and over. NQ? You NQing Todd? Let's see. Oh, yeah. Todd's in that. Todd's probably long in that right now. Getting paid. Green, take out the red. Boop. That's the play. That's the play there on NQ. Great play, bro. Look at that. She's taking off. Yeah, that's a phenomenal play. All right. See y'all tomorrow.